What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. As you can see, we got David in the Lambo and we got me, Nikon, and Chris in the Urus. Tonight we're going to the Midnight Therapy car meet, so it's gonna be a crazy night, guys. A lot of driving, a lot of crazy cars, and we got two of the best cars. We got the Urus and we got the Performante Spider. It's gonna be a crazy meet, guys, so let's get into it. But yeah, guys, the homie David and his Lamborghini Performante, super clean. He got the, I don't even know what brand, I think it's 1016 or Voice Center. Got the crazy forged carbon hood, the lip, the side skirts. Look at the Alcantara in there. This interior is insane, guys. This shit's crazy. Looks so freaking good. Look at that plate. Sick V10. What's up, G? How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, good. So you brought the perf out? The perfies?
The Perf-a-fucking-monte. The perfective car in the world. No, yeah. It's not the fastest, but it's the best, man.
Is it?
It's the most comfortable.
Better than the McLaren?
More comfortable than McLaren.
Yeah. I feel like this would be more comfortable.
Look, they replaced my taillights for me. Under warranty for free. And then look, the same issue happens again. It's a defect in the design.
Just take it back and tell them?
I don't know, will they warranty the warranty?
I think so. If it keeps happening, for sure they have to. Rich? I think this is my first time seeing your engine bay.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at all that chrome.
Damn. Rich. Rich. Look at his face, look at his face. Oh my. Bro, this shit lost. Dude, this was good. All right, guys. Before we go to the meet, we're going to Baskin Robbins. Yes, bro. Jumbo Juice is whack. If you know, you know. Pistachio almond, nutty coconut in the bottom with hot fudge on top. Try it. You'll thank me later. The homie Mo pulled up in the R8. Rich. Shit hard, bro. That's just so sick. Oh my gosh. Shit fire. Should we get an R8 or Huracan? Jeez. Rich. Oh, Rich. Bro, we need a McLaren, I think, on the channel. McLaren or Lambo? R8, which one, guys? Oh, that's rich, bro. How is this shit so loud, bro? That's you, G.
You're like the richest guy I know.
Big body year he took up. G. Rich. Alright, guys. We finally made it. Trying to get the parking situated. But I think the Lambos are going to park on this side. McLaren. As you can see, we kind of stole the show for a little bit. God damn. Supercars stole the show once again. Oh my god, that's just sick. That's hard. Rich. Sheesh. The homie Benz G82. That's just clean. Super fast G82, guys. Super clean too. Oh my god.
It's fine. Because it's
That's just hard.
It's slow.
The color with the lights like that, it's sick. E92 M3? Sheesh. Gotta love the E9X. All over Nikon. M8. All over Nikon. M8 Coupe.
Mahmoud. Is it Mahmoud?
That shit hard, bro. On BBS's? G63, that's KG. KG in the G63. Sheesh. E46. What's up, bro? Clean. G80 M3, frozen gray. That's nice with the orange interior. And we got a frozen black G82 with the blue DRLs. That's pretty nice. With the bucket seats, orange interior. Individual. Is this Java green? I think it is. Java green M4. Okay. See you. That's pretty clean. I've never seen Java green actually. It's pretty rare. Got the OLED style taillights too. Damn, what color is this? Daytona Violet, I think it is. G82. You got white bucket seats interior. That's a nice spec. When you do purple on white, that's super nice. We got the brand new M2 with yellow DRLs. That looks pretty good. Red on yellow. Got BBSs on it. That's pretty clean. What's up, bro? Oh shit. How you been? We got the homie Java's M4 with the icons. It's like a greenish, yellowish wrap. It's pretty cool actually. It's almost like Austin yellow, but it has like a hint of green in it. Rich, pulling up with the doors up. Rich. Damn, that's a clean G80. I think this is Toronto red with the white interior. I've never seen this one before. That's clean. What's up, bro? How are you?
Chilling, you?
Chilling. That's just sick. We got the F10 M5, Estoril blue. You don't really see F10 M5s too much. G80. So many G80s and G82s, guys. Why is there so many of them? Look, another G82 over there. It's crazy. We got the F90 M5 Snapper Rocks LCI. And that shit clean. We got another F90 M5. Okay, we got the M5 boys out. We got another F90 M5. Bunch of M5s out. What's up, G?
Should you do a burnout right now?
Bunch of what?
Do a burnout right
That's a nice color. It's like a blue. That's pretty sick. Damn, that's a clean F80 right there on TEs. Clean F80. Oh my god. M6, V10. Rev it, V10.
No,
V10,
stop.
V10.
Stop, you fuck.
It's a Huracan. That just sounds good. Bro, shit got ratchet, G. What happened to the meat, G? What happened to your meat?
Take over.
It's this guy.
lifewithkg meets.
Nah.
What do you mean? The valley realistically, I can't do anything. All over Kevin!
Ow! Rev it, look at this girl, bro. She has no idea what she's going through right now. They're all smokers, bro. Bro, what is wrong with people, bro?
Sounds like shit. That's where you should be recording, bro.
I should. Bro. Let's go over there, guys. Let's check it out. tree, bro. The homie Bavia, M3 CS on TE's Ridge. That shit's clean. F80 M3 CS. That shit's nice. Bro, cops came. Look at that. Everybody starts. Look at them.
Like the light coming on in the kitchen, the cockroaches from the butter. Everybody goes running. Oh my god. Jamsi, Mahmoud, this is crazy.
We gotta go, low key. Let's go reroute somewhere. Let's reroute somewhere. No way. Cops came, guys. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at everybody running freaking out, bro. Thank God I'm not in my car. I'm in a nice, comfortable SUV. I'm chilling. Rich.
Hey, does not matter. Everybody here, we're getting flight minutes. Everybody's part of the level. You're just gonna get cars. You got 2 minutes to comply or no? All right. I don't know. He knows the trigger, sir. I'm not. Okay, that's fine. That's it. Okay, it doesn't matter. This is the possible parking lot. We'll let it in our parking lot. Okay, I didn't know. That's fine. All right.
Thank you, sir. These guys
Oh my God.
All right, man. You play. Okay, listen, man.
You guys roll up.
Listen, we're here. Obviously, everybody is guilty by association, and I can sign it and I can impound it right now. Okay?
David, let's just go to In-N-Out. David.
No way, bro.
Take a video again.
No way I did.
Bro, again.